Hi, we are presenting Lunaris, a multi-agent operating system for modern hospitality. Today, hotel operations are fragmented, reactive, and insecure. Lunaris solves this by orchestrating operations through hierarchical agents with zero trust security and human-in-the-loop control. Now let's enter the system through initialize system. This is the live operational dashboard of a hotel powered by Lunaris. Here we have agent status, our 3D wireframe of every rooms in a floor, live event log, and alerts. This dashboard shows the live state of a hotel powered by Lunaris, where every operation is handled by a hierarchy of agents. At the top, we have the executive agent, which uses Claw to interpret intent and plan tasks. But critically, execution does not happen inside the LLM. All actions are routed through OpenClaw, which runs locally in a restricted sandbox. This ensures that agents cannot directly access systems or leak data. They only produce intent, not execution. So OpenClaw acts as a sovereign execution layer, isolating AI reasoning from real-world actions. Now, when an agent wants to perform an action like unlocking a door, it cannot directly call an API. Instead, it must request a token through Auth0 token vault. Auth0 issues a scope token with limited permissions, for example, only unlock doors. This token is then used by the backend to execute the action securely. So even if an agent is compromised, it cannot exceed its permission. Now let's see our floor plan. This is our 3D floor plan where we can see total occupied, available, maintenance room in a floor. Here I can see that in room 721, it needs maintenance. This is the temperature, this is humidity, and all this. Now, let's see our AI agents. In our AI agent, we have 3-layer executive agent. In domain agents, there is security, operations, maintenance, and configure. Each agent operates independently but coordinates through a central orchestrator. These are all the agents that are active right now. This is the security layer where we can see the overall security and threat level of the Lunaris. This is the operation layer where occupied rooms available, maintenance, cleaning, and work order. Everything can be seen of the operation agent here. Now let's understand how the system actually works. Every user request or event goes through a pipeline, step by step. Intent output, executive agent, then through task delegation, then through sub-agent execution, and then through secure execution layer. And then there is a human approval layer. Security is critical. And this is where Auth0 token vault comes in. Each agent does not have direct access to APIs. Each agent requests a scope token. Token has limited permissions, unlock doors, notify guests, etc. Even if an agent is compromised, it cannot exceed its scope. This enforces a zero-trust architecture across the system. Now let's look at a real scenario. Now in the system event log, we can see different type of logs, executive, security. We can see different agent logs here. This is the analytical page which shows overall analytics of the hotel. For critical actions like unlocking restricted areas, the system pauses and requests approval. This ensures humans stay in control of high-risk decisions. Lunaris transforms hotel operations from reactive systems into intelligent autonomous environments. It's not just automations, it is a fully orchestrated operating system for hospitality. Thank you.